In this video, I'm going to give you the top 7 items for applique. Hi there and welcome to my channel. I create videos every single Wednesday on how to use your sewing machine or simple sewing tips and tricks. Item number 1 would be top quality fabric. Now I'm not going to start naming names. I think you're going to learn over time between the difference of a good quality fabric and a bad quality fabric. Some tips I will give you is to look at the weave if it looks kind of see-through and heavily starched. You will start to notice in the cheaper fabrics that the weave of the fabric isn't very thick at all. And trust me, over time you'll know. Item number 2 is freezer paper. You will find freezer paper in your local grocery store. The type of applique that I used for my tutorial was raw edge applique, and you can use this to use the turned over applique. So you would use this freezer paper to help provide a bit of stabilization for when you turn the edges over of your applique. And it actually gives you the instructions on the back of the box. Freezer paper basically has like a paper part on one side and like a gluey kind of consistency on the other side that will stick to your fabric. So it works as a guide for if you're doing raw edge applique and you want just to cut out the pattern and just follow it around, or if you're doing the turned over applique, so it gives you a firm side in order to press over. I guess some people probably use it for, say, English paper piecing. My third item for applique would be fusible webbing. Now this stuff is like a glue. So you put it on the wrong side of your applique and it will stick to any fabric that you want it to stick to. Now you should be able to find fusible webbing at any fabric store and obviously online. Item number 4 would be some form of spray starch. You want to get that fabric prepared so it's nice and stiff and it's not going to fray on you. Item number 5. So I made this DIY pressing mat, and on one side it is just a pressing mat for my iron, and on the reverse side I have a Teflon sheet. A Teflon sheet is perfect for appliquing because sometimes we want to put some webbing on a piece of fabric but not have it stick on an item just yet. And obviously nothing sticks to Teflon, so this is perfect for that. Item number 6. Once again, I'm not going to name any names, but I'm sure if you went into your sewing machine provider, they would let you know what their personal recommendation is on good embroidery thread. Item number 7. Highly recommend that you get tear away stabilizer. I have a ton of this stuff because I also have an embroidery machine, as well as do some embroidery on my sewing machine like you've seen. So as you can see, it does just tear away, so it's easy to tear this off once your embroidery project is complete. Another reason why this is so important is because sometimes when we do embroidery projects, they have the tendency to pucker, and having the correct stabilizer on your work will stop that puckering from happening. So that was my complete guide on applique, my full series done. And don't forget to like my video so other people like you can find me. And hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss seeing me next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.